Today, we are going to be showing you a website that is going to pay you for other people's videos. In order to make money with today's method, you won't need a camera, you don't need any special skills or experience, because all you really do is sign up and click the download button. You don't need to invest or advance any money, and it works worldwide. So it's available to everyone from all corners of the world. The best thing, this has nothing to do with YouTube, which means you don't need any subscribers or whatsoever. You won't even need a YouTube account, and right now you're probably very curious already. It's super easy, but you have to follow all of the steps that we're going to be showing you in today's video if you want to make it work, because there are so many people who already know about this platform, but there's always one common mistake that they make, and that's why they aren't successful with today's method no matter what they do. So if you don't want to be like those people, if you want to be like us, the few people who are actually earning really good money from this website, then make sure that you watch throughout this whole entire video from start to finish so that you won't get confused about today's method. And make sure that you don't skip a part so you don't miss any important details, because if you do miss important details, then chances are you won't get your desired results. We might even throw in some bonus tips and tricks at the end or in the middle of the video, so definitely don't make the mistake of skipping. Before we get right into today's video, if it's your first time in the channel, welcome to the Money Shark channel. In this channel, we upload videos on how to make money online so you can try them out for yourself and start making your own money. If you want to be a part of this channel, then don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of our Making Money Online journey, and hit the notification bell beside it to be the first to know whenever we upload a brand new video. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. Now we want you to be on PLR Minds, and to get to this website, you just need to type in plrminds.com. And we've talked about PLR before, but to those who haven't seen that video and aren't familiar with what PLR means, PLR is a short form for private label rights. This is the king of license available on the net, with so much benefits that go far beyond other types of license. The main benefits of this product with PLR is that you have the rights to edit the content and brand it with your website URL or your name as the author. This is really a quick way to have your own products rather than creating it from scratch. So basically, this is a video or any digital material that has this type of license, then you're free to pass it off as your own or sell it as your own. You're allowed to edit it as you desire, take stuff out, add stuff in, and literally say that it's yours, and it's completely legal and free. Pretty cool, right? That's why this has been our favorite type of videos lately, since it's been doing us good and it's been earning us some pretty decent money too, and that's exactly what we want for you. So right now we're obviously on this website's video section, and everything that you're seeing on our screen right now, all these videos listed down, these are all free for download, for selling, for absolutely anything that you can ever imagine. Now, if you look at the left side and click on categories, you'll see millions and millions of categories listed down for you that you can look through and choose from whatever it is that you want to find. Then you'll see all of the free digital products that you can download, like ebooks, videos, graphics, softwares, site templates. There are even plugins, so literally anything. And we're obviously going to focus on videos, and that's why we're in the video section right now. So to our newcomers, where are you guys from? We'd love to know, so make sure that you comment that down below and let us know what you love about the channel so far. So let's continue. So the next thing that you will want to do is sign up, and to do that, just click on join in the upper right, and once you click on that, you'll be brought over here. And all you need to do is click free, and as you can see, you have access to free products for reselling, and that's over 700 products. New products come in every month that you will have access to, as well as your membership duration. It's for a lifetime, so it's really everything we need to earn successfully from this method. So once you choose free, click here to register for free. Then that should take you to this page right here. Just provide your email address and then confirm it. Confirm you're not a robot, then hit next. once you hit next, they're going to ask you to verify your email address, so make sure that you do that first. And that email should look just like this. If you don't find it in your main inbox, then look through your spam. It will be right there for sure. Just click on the link and that should lead you right to this page. So go ahead, provide your first name, your last name, your username, then your password twice, and then hit next again. And as soon as you click on next, you should find yourself right into your dashboard. So just click on free videos right here, and as you can see, free video download. Marketing and instructional videos you can download for free. And if you ask us, this is already a great field of discussion, because living in a time like this amidst a pandemic, everybody is a little financially tight, and that's why we make these types of videos. But also, videos like this can actually be of great help to also helping someone set a goal or help someone to figure out their financial life and what can be done. All the videos under this topic is just great. Not only is it very much in line with Money Shark content, but it is also a great skill that would be an absolute honor to have, honestly. So now that's all ready, let's set that aside and go to our main money making website. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet, and hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video. Now let's continue. Go ahead and open up file-upload.com, and as you can see, here are the payment proofs of this website. So this website surely pays people out. And because I don't want to waste any more of your time, go ahead and click start uploading files now. Then you're going to click on this tiny folder icon to start uploading, but of course before that we need a video. So let's go back to PLR Minds, and you are to choose your chosen video. Hit download, and that should download straight into your computer. And once that's downloaded, you can go back to the second website, click the folder icon, select your video file, and that should process the video download. You need a description, and you can easily grab one from PLR Minds website itself. The description that comes with the free video, just copy paste that. Once it's done downloading, you'll be given a link to that product of yours, and every time someone downloads it, you will get paid $7 every download. So make sure that you share this with all of your family and friends, all the forums you can possibly find, all of your social media accounts possible, and you'll be making $7 times 100 and even more every single day on complete autopilot, just the way that we like it. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to show your love and support for this video. Also, smash that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that either. And make sure to click the notification bell beside it to be the first to know when we upload a brand new video on how to make more money online through different methods. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one.